Are you suffering from tightness and stiffness on your neck, upper back, and shoulders if you have scoliosis and you have difficulty to stretch and lengthen and strengthen those tight rib cage area and thoracic spine? Hi, my name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me for a gentle mobility flow with a foam roller on how to stretch those tight upper back, neck, and shoulders. If you've been sitting a lot and you have a rounded shoulder posture and you need to open your chest. And if you have scoliosis, I'm going to demonstrate also how to open your concave side. So let's begin the program. We're going to start in kneeling position and the foam roller in front of you. We're going to glide the foam roller to a lovely child pose. So as you inhale, keeping your neck straight, aligned with your upper back, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly roll down with the foam roller and exhale. Inhale, breathe in, breathe out, roll up. We have 5 more to go. Slowly warming up your upper back. All the way down. Inhale. Exhale, roll up. So the foam roller helps guide you. At the same time, gives you a deeper stretch as you go down. 3 more to go. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you roll up. 2 more, my friends. Feels so good on your hips and your shoulders and your neck and upper back. Last set, my friends. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, slowly roll up. And as I said, if you have concave side on your left and you have dextroscoliosis, so usually with dextroscoliosis, your scoliosis is curved towards the right with rotation. So we're going to place the foam roller diagonally towards the right. Inhale and exhale, roll down. Feel that beautiful opening on your left side. And if you don't have scoliosis, you can also try this to figure out which one is your tight side with your dominant or non-dominant side. And we'll do this 5 times. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, roll down. We have 4 more to go. Inhale, sitting up straight. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, roll up. 3 more. Sitting up straight. 2 more, my friends. Last one. Well done. Now I'm going to place the foam roller on the other side for those with level scoliosis, which means the curvature curves to the left. The concave is tight on your right. Place your hands on the foam roller as you roll to the side. As you breathe out, expand your rib cage as you inhale and roll up. You have 4 more to go. Inhale, exhale, roll down. 3 more, my friend. Breathe in as you sit up. Exhale, roll down. 2 more, my friends. Last one. Feels so good on your upper back and shoulders. Well done. So after warming up your neck, upper back, we are going to lie down vertically towards the foam roller. So you're going to sit down. And this will help open up your chest, your scapular muscles to be engaged. Proprioception, if you have a little bit rounded shoulder, just resting your hands down on the mat with palms up, you're already opening those tight rounded shoulder. If you've been always in your computer, and it's good to just lie down on the foam roller vertically. And we hold this in 3 deep breaths. Last deep breath in. And now lift your hands up to the center. We're going to do a beautiful shoulder opening, like a beautiful butterfly stretch with your hands. As you slowly lower your hands down to the side of the floor. Palms up and hold this, pushing your shoulder blades down to really engage your upper back. And let's hold this in 3 deep breaths, and we'll do this 3 times. Last deep breath in, slowly lift your hands up again to the heavens, and we have 2 more to go. Breathe in, breathe out, open. Inhale, lift your hands up. Last set. Exhale, open your palms out again. Exhale. Last deep breath in. And now we're going to place your hands up again to the center. And this time we're going to do a PNF patterns diagonal. So with my hands together, I'm going to slowly lower one hand to the side of my hips and the other hand on top of my head diagonally. So my left hand is pointing to the heavens and my right hand, my thumb is pointing down to the floor. As I exhale and then inhale back center, this time I'm switching. My left hand is going overhead and my right hand down to the side of my hip with my left thumb pointing down to the floor and my right hand is pointing to the heavens. So I'm switching it up. So the thumb position is so important because this helps internal rotation and external rotation of your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. You want to make sure you're really squeezing those upper back muscles to lengthen and to engage isometric, contract, and then when you lift up back to the center, you are relaxing it to help those muscles to loosen up if there's tight, stiff, and having some aches and pain from prolonged positioning. We have 4 more. Don't forget your breath work. Breathe in and breathe out. Squeezing my upper back as I lower my hands down to the floor. Three more. Two more, my friends. Last one. You might find one shoulder a little bit stiffer than the other. And that's normal, but if you find it a little bit stiffer, which means you have to do an extra repetition in that area to release the tension, it means that's the area that you've been compensating or utilizing more. Well done. The last exercise is snow angel. So from the side of your hips, palms out open, slowly lift your arms out to the side like you're lying down on the snow, and then overhead. And once you reach overhead, you take a deep breath, reach over, reach as much as you can, and then exhale, go down to your hips. Breathe in, reach. We have 9 more to go. Inhale, exhale down. 8 more. Inhale, reach. Exhale down. 7 more, my friends. Six more. 5 more, my friends. So good on your shoulders and you're loosening it up after sitting a lot, or if you've been looking down on your cell phone. Take a break and stretch. 2 more, my friends. Last one. Slowly roll off. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely upper back, thoracic spine, shoulder, and chest opening. If you love this video, want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you're giving to my channel, you are supporting me. I'll be closing my back masterclass course tonight. So you want to make sure you join right now if you don't want to miss out to finally fix your back pain, to regain life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. Click the link on the description below. Be part of my new group of students. And if you're not ready right now, write your name and email address. Be part of the early bird waitlist because the next course opening will be summer 2024. So don't miss out for spring. We're closing it tonight. Don't miss out, and I'll see you inside the class. If you want to get the free 6-part video series and start regaining your life without back pain, I have a free course, free video series that you can start right now. Video 1 is over here, learn proper breath work and core engagement. And video 2, keeping your spine in neutral position. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!